is your body. Sometimes it can suffer from bacterial infections. Using a process called protein synthesis in the bacteria's ribosomes, the bacteria produces proteins it needs to survive and reproduce in the body. It can then attack the body's defense mechanisms and are very invasive and toxic.
Luckily, doctors today prescribe antibiotics. These are medications that can stop bacterial infections. The antibiotic we'll be focusing on today are aminoglycosides, which some bacteria actually use to protect themselves from bacteria they're competing with. Aminoglycoside antibiotics work by attacking the ribosomes of the bacteria. For instance, during protein synthesis, they bind to the A site, making it harder for the tRNA to be correctly recognized. This results in mistakes in the new protein chains. Without the proteins keeping it alive, the bacteria cannot survive and reproduce.
Another method is by blocking the recycling of ribosomes in the large ribosomal subunit. They bind to a small loop of RNA, changing the structure of the loop and pulling it away from the ribosomal recycling factor.
Oh, so I should take lots of antibiotics whenever I can to stop an infection, right?
Not exactly. You see, bacteria over generations have developed their own methods of resistance to antibiotics.
Some bacteria have multi-drug gene regulators that induce the protein synthesis of multi-drug resistance transporters, or efflux pumps, when an antibiotic is present. Efflux pumps work by transporting the antibiotic out of the cell right after they enter, some performing a scissor motion powered by ATP. For these pumps, the structure is able to open and close to eject the antibiotic from the cell, thus removing substances toxic to them. Therefore, those who are sensitive to antibiotics will die, but the resistant survive to reproduce and continue infecting the body.
So what can you do to stop bacterial resistance? First of all, don't take antibiotics for common illnesses like cold, flu, or viral infections. There are other ways to cure these without the need for antibiotics. Also, don't share antibiotics, even with your closest friends. Finally, always consult your doctor about antibiotics and take what is prescribed to you. Up to 2 million are infected and 23,000 die each year from antibiotic-resistant infections. Remember, with each unnecessary usage of antibiotics, it becomes less effective when needed and it increases the chance of bacterial resistance. Stay safe and healthy by being responsible with antibiotics.